Hi, today I'm front of new Galaxy A73 and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we can see, the face unlock works here fast, correct. We just unlocked the device less than in 1 second. This is the good result for the face unlock option. I just suggest you to try this unlock method. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.